Everyone, now let's talk about important concept why indexing is required in Python. If you observe any programming language, index is common. Search for pattern. Okay. So now indexing used to fetch the data whatever we require. So now if we observe here, then what is the matter of Python indexing here means indexing just accessing the elements means only for fetching the elements here, and to access the elements we can use the square brackets notation. So I will give you an example how we can fetch the values using index number. Okay, so we need to use square bracket notation, means we are passing index number there. Index example refers to a position with an order list. So when you are fetching the data, you need to fetch the data in order format. That means 1 to 10, or you can say 2 to 3, like that. So you can fetch like this. Okay, that is the order position only. Indexing can be used to extract individual characters from a string. So if you have a big string, or if you have a string, then you need to bring some kind of information, some kind of piece of information. Then you can get individual characters. Okay, that means you cannot get like 6 to 10 like that, but you can get only individual characters. So if you want to get from some piece of information from existing string, we have slicing concept. Here indexing is individual character, only one character we can bring here. Okay, and indexing can be used to extract the individual elements from data structures. Even data structures also, any object you can use. Okay, data structure, list, tuple, set, or dictionary, whatever, you need to get the values individual elements only through this indexing data structure. In Python, all indexing based on zero number, so index starts from zero itself each and every time in Python. Okay, so that is all about how we can get the information related to indexing here. Now understand. So now we have two important index types. Those are positive index and negative index. Okay, so positive index and negative index. But index starts from, for positive index it starts from 0, and negative index it starts from -1. And when we talk about positive index search pattern, the position from left to right direction. The negative index search pattern will be from right to left direction. If you observe this example, then you can get to know whatever we have discussed, that will be. So now let's see here. So now we have two types of index, positive index and negative index. When we take positive index, it starts from 0, and then the value which is specified, it will assign the number. This is called like a one-dimensional array or a single dimensional array. And the positive index direction will be from left to right direction. And then negative index direction will be from left side to right, or sorry, right to left here. But here negative index starts from -1. So I have informed you, right, how we can pass the index number, the index square bracket notation. You can pass index number, object name, if it is a object name like variable or list, whatever, then this can be used to display the individual elements from a string, or listing individual characters from data structure individual elements. Okay, so you can recap once again. Indexes are two types: positive index, negative index. It will start from 0. Positive index starts from 0, negative index starts from -1. But the direction will be, the search pattern will be for positive left to right, and then negative index search pattern will be right to left. But when you are passing a number out of index number, like if you see -6 here, or if you observe like 5, then these are not assigned index number. If you are using this one, then you will get index bound error. Okay, so make sure these things are very important. Indexing is very important to fetch the data very fastly. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll connect with a practical example in the next class in a detail, each and every concept like how positive index, how negative index will work. Okay, so we can just recap once again and get ready for practical session. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class.